Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are launching a new product or restocking a bestseller, setting up pre-orders on Shopify is a great way to boost sales before the product is available. In today's video, I will show you how to set up pre-orders on Shopify in 2025. Step by step, let's get started. Pre-orders help you generate early sales before launching a product, manage inventory and demand better, keep customers engaged instead of losing them to competitors. Shopify doesn't have a built-in pre-order feature, but you can set it up manually. Here's how. Step 1. Create your pre-order product. Go to Shopify admin panel, then products, then click add product, then create a title for your product like t-shirt for boys, then type your description, upload your images, name your product and write in the description, this item is available for pre-order and will ship on insert a date like 30 March. Then upload your products images. Step 2. Adjust inventory settings. Scroll down to inventory, set track quantity even if stock is 0. Enable continue selling when out of stock. Then select save. Now we need to change the add to cart button to say we order now. Go to online store, then themes, then customize. Click products, and find the add to cart button and change the text to be ordered now. Option 2, use a free pre-order app like Pre-Order Manager, Globo, Pre-Order, Pre-Product. If you are using an app, here's what to do. Install the app from the Shopify App Store, select the product you want to enable pre-orders for, set the pre-order message like ships in 2 weeks, enable partial payments if you do want customers to pay a deposit, then click Save and Active. Once your pre-orders are set up, let people know. Add a pre-order banner on your homepage. Send an email campaign to subscribers. Post on social media with a countdown timer. Run a limited time pre-order discount. And that's it. Now you know how to set up pre-orders on Shopify in 2025. If this tutorial helped, hit that like button, subscribe and comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.